Looking for the best brownie baking pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 brownie baking pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Boxiki Silicone Brownie Pan. Pros: FDA approved, professional grade silicone is safe to use in the oven. The pan is truly non-stick. Brownies pop out with little effort, and the pan is easy to clean. Sturdy metal handles help the silicone hold its shape and makes lifting in and out of oven easy. Cons: silicone can be damaged with a knife. Use a spatula or dull tool to cut your brownies. Bottom line: this simplistic silicone brownie pan makes for the easiest, mess-free baking experience. At number 2. Gotham Steel Brooklyn Brownie Pan. Pros: comes with removable divider that makes perfect, uniform brownies. Divider reaches the bottom and has 2 convenient handles for easy removal. Pan is truly non-stick, but the divider should be sprayed. Makes 18 brownie squares. Pan is dishwasher safe. Cons: divider should be hand washed to avoid potential damage. Bottom line: reliable Gotham Steel brand holds up its infamous non-stick reputation. At number 1. Baker's Edge Non-Stick Brownie Pan. Pros: pan is made from sturdy, non-stick aluminium. Maze pattern gives every brownie a crispy edge. Pan fits a standard size box of brownie mix. Included spatula is the perfect size to lift brownies from pan. Recipe book is also included. Cons: pan sits at a slightly higher price point. Bottom line: a quality made non-stick pan that comes with essential tools and recipe ideas. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.